Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If you're a car enthusiast or someone who's had to deal with a check engine light, you're probably familiar with codes like P0172. But what does P0172 actually mean, and how can you fix it? Stick around and let's dive into this common issue and what you can do to solve it. The P0172 trouble code means system too rich. Bank 1. This indicates that the engine's air-fuel mixture is too rich, meaning there is too much fuel and not enough air. How to diagnose P0172? To properly diagnose the issue, follow these steps. Step 1. Scan for trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for P0172 and any additional codes that could give more clues. Step 2. Check fuel trim readings. Short-term fuel trim, SFT, and long-term fuel trim, LTFT, should be within the range of 10% to 10%. If LTFT is below 10%, the ETA-STU is trying to reduce fuel, confirming a rich condition, now common cause of P0172. Number 1. Faulty mass airflow, MAF, sensor. A dirty or bad MAF sensor can send incorrect airflow readings to the ECU, leading to more fuel being injected than needed. Try cleaning the MAF sensor with MAF sensor cleaner. If the issue persists, replace it. Number 2. Dirty or clogged air filter. A dirty air filter reduces airflow to the engine, causing the ECU to compensate by injecting more fuel. Replace the air filter if it's clogged. Number 3. Faulty oxygen, O2, sensor. A bad upstream oxygen sensor, before the catalytic converter, may send incorrect readings, causing the ECU to think the engine is running lean and add too much fuel. Use an OBD2 scanner to check live O2 sensor readings and replace if faulty. Number 4. Leaking or stuck open fuel injectors. If a fuel injector is leaking or stuck open, it will dump excessive fuel into the combustion chamber. Test the injectors with a fuel pressure gauge or listen for irregular sounds. Replace any faulty injectors. Number 5. High fuel pressure. A bad fuel pressure regulator can cause excessive fuel delivery, making the system run rich. Solution: test the fuel pressure with a gauge. If too high, replace the fuel pressure regulator. The P0172 trouble code means your engine is running too rich, often due to sensor issues, excess fuel delivery, or airflow restrictions. By methodically diagnosing the problem and applying the right fix, you can restore proper fuel balance, improve gas mileage, and avoid further engine damage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.